It was something in the air tonight. It was something in the air tonight. I get nervous when you get closer. You feel it taking over you, and then you leave me speechless.
What it do, Screws? It's boy John here. We just made it to Bear Cave Trail. So right now we're just gonna go be following the paths right here. I brought my boys with me. Got Brian on the left side, Lalo on the right side, you know.
What's up?
How y'all doing today? How was the drive?
Pretty good. It was about three hours, but it was pretty good, man.
Yeah.
Left early.
I was asleep the whole time.
That's for sure. Yeah, he was dead asleep. So right now we're just gonna be walking around and enjoying the views, as well as hopefully we can see a bear.
Maybe fight off some bears, maybe.
Yeah, fight off a bear. Probably mostly run away, but you know. So we're like beside these rocks and like small caves, and it's just pretty cool. We're looking at a few caves down there where bears hibernate, and there's nothing but straight rock bottom down there. Ain't that right, Lalo? Are you afraid of heights?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Shit, I am. But I'm trying to conquer those fears.
Cliff or something like that. In your mind, like even though you won't do it, you'll hear, like in your mind you'll hear jump, like as if like jump off over the edge to like your death. And they say they call that the call of the void.
The call of the void.
Yeah,
I've never heard of that.
yeah. It's a creepy pasta.
It is.
It was something in the air tonight. It was something in the air tonight.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Hey, hold up.
Do a flip.
Boy.
Yes.
That was a lot farther.
Low key. Dude, that's super slow mo. Dude, my fuzzy mic.
Oh yeah.
He almost crash landed into the wall. Rock wall.
Well, like, I knew I was gonna hit the wall hard. I just didn't think it was that big of a drop.
I honestly thought you were about to like bust your head open with that. Dude, Doge. Usually stuff like this, I start having somewhat of anxiety and just fear of heights. But for real? Okay, I'll be up there. And it's just doing this a bunch of times. We're just trying to face my fears and just going towards it. It's helping me calm me down, as with my friends as well as with my girl. But you know, this is something I usually don't do every day, but it's becoming something that I enjoy doing, and just coming out here and seeing the views and just capture the moment. Even though I'm recording and taking pictures, I'm still capturing the moment for myself. You know, just enjoying pretty much what God created here. So, so yeah, that's all. More to go. So here we go.
I get nervous when you get close.
So right now what we're doing, we're finding a way to a different to the trail, but we're doing a little bit more. We're oh shit! I'm good. We're taking a different chair. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Anyways. Can't wait to see that. Whew. That was good. It's a moment like these where you just enjoy the silence and just the calm breeze and you know the noises of birds chirping, singing around, and just enjoying the outdoors. That's pretty much what drives me to be out here, just the soothing sounds. It calms my pretty much my whole body, my soul. And like it's relaxing. I enjoy it. Even though me, Brian, and Lalo were just stomping hard on these leaves and stuff. But you know, that's also soothing. I don't know why. To me, that's soothing. It's just it's pretty cool. I enjoy it. But we're somewhat almost there, back to our destination.
I think we can hear the road though.
Yeah, I think that's the road right there.
Okay.
So we're technically almost there. But so far, this trip has been good. I enjoyed it. What about you, Brian?
No bears.
Yeah,
That's the only thing I'm
no
upset
bears.
about. No bears. We saw the caves, but no bears.
Yes. Alright, so we're back on the main road. We're almost there. So, we were trying to hitch a ride there, but yeah, my legs were too heavy. So, my legs aren't as muscular as Brian's over here.
Chicken legs.
Man. But, you know, I think we just need to let Lalo take off his shirt to show off his body, so we can hitch a ride. So we'll see. We're almost there. I'm hungry as heck. So I know he's hungry. So I'm down to eat anything. Lalo's down to eat anything, and he's ready to get there. Look at him. Walking fast. Alright, so we finally made it back, and now we're exhausted, our feet hurt, and now we're fixing to head back. So fixing to stop by the gas station and then get some dinner, just be on our way home. So, what do y'all think?
Let's do it, man. Hungry.
I want to die.
What do y'all think about the hike?
It was good. Maybe pack a little bit less next time. Get some boots.
It was good until we got lost.
Yeah.